Welcome to Nature's Glory Cabin Off-Road. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're at Offroad and Overland Unlimited getting brake controller and trailer wiring installed. They are located in Georgetown, Kentucky. Do good work. We're having this done on a 22 Sarge Green JL, and hope everybody enjoys this. Keep watching. That was the easy part.
Didn't like that one.
The ballerina.
We'll trim the two on the two little ribs, but I'll put a notch in it for the big one.
This JL didn't come with trailer wiring, so it turned out to be a pretty good size job to put trailer wiring in it. So this was, gosh, all day long. This took all day long to do this wiring. It took about 8 hours start to finish, and we ended up doing some other work on another day because we didn't get to it because this took so long.
It needs to be JL. About that.
Works for me.
Self-tapping drill bit.
Oh, okay. That's even better. That's self-tapping drill bit.
Yeah. That wrinkle finish makes it really tough to find those daggone holes. There's some deep tabs, good lord. That's gonna suck. Okay, well, let me show you.
The whole things have a million little tabs and screws in them.
And they're made out of little plastic, so pain in the butt.
Yeah, I just need somebody to help. Hey Mark.
Yep.
Hop in here real quick.
End up with a handful left over and say, wonder where that goes.
Yep, you got it.
And it still runs good or better.
Great.
Size.
Well, better than one size too big.
Yes, sir.
That stuff sticks good.
Excellent.
You cleaned it off, right?
Yeah. Brake cleaner.
Okay. I must have missed that.
Oh yeah. Nice. Real nice, Clark.
Got some confetti in here.
Plastic confetti.
Yeah.
I already had that off once, so it ought to be a little easier. First time
Still
it
get
sounds,
nervous every time.
the first time it sounds like you're breaking it.
Uh-huh.
How long does it take you to edit those videos?
This one won't take very long. I got 3 GoPros.
Gotcha.
Front, left front side, and then rear.
Do you have them all set up on?
I have them all
remotes?
run at the same time.
Okay.
So that way I can synchronize the footage.
Yep. I know they make it where you can have one remote, turn them all off and on, but I have not.
That doesn't work very well.
Really?
It's all Bluetooth.
Right.
Yeah, what's that tell you? So I've tried it. It's just not reliable.
Gotcha.
And I have, well, in this one I don't need them, but in the TJ I have battery packs that'll run. God, I don't know how long they'll run. I've run them 8 hours, not run them halfway.
Dang.
So the problem with a GoPro is they'll overheat.
Yep.
If you just keep changing batteries in them. So what I do is I leave a battery in them so they keep their settings, and then you've got a couple of hours after you take a battery out of it before to lose it. So I usually wait till I get to the trail and I'll pull the battery out and plug them into the remote battery, and I've never had one overheat because that extra space inside there, the battery doesn't get hot too.
Yeah.
But the cameras are hot though.
Up and over to the battery.
Yeah, one of them needs to go there. One of them I got to clip out of it and bring from the blue to the back, so from the brake controller. Need some more?
I don't know.
Go ahead and pull. The one that's got to go on the inside's got to come. See, we got to have one.
And then you pop the loom over the wrench, is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, that makes sense now. I see what you're doing. Once you get it inside, you just zip it down through there, right?
That's the goal. Pretty damn easy compared to the old-fashioned way.
Oh yeah, eat your fingers up on that stuff. As soon as I hear a trick, the camera comes out.
He's expecting us to do backflips while he's doing it.
You're not going to do that?
Another spin for him.
You walk around this corner. There you go. Just reel him in a little bit.
Well, make it look easy, don't they?
Well, it will when I speed it up. When I speed it up, it looks like you did it in about 15 seconds.
That works. Almost to the end. Heat resistant, abrasion resistant.
Well, we got the constant 12 volts back here. Test reverse.
There you go.
Yep. You on the brake? Alright, try.
How about turn signal and brake? That way it makes sure it's getting constant. Okay, left blinker. There you go. Yeah, good.
Left blinks, right solid.
Okay, right blinking now.
Right
There
blinking,
you
left
go.
is solid.
Good. And brake light.
Try the controller now.
I guess you just push the button, right?
Well, you know, I don't know if that works or not.
Lighten up.
It says something about being manual. You can push on it for manual.
It's off.
It's off.
Lighten up. Real dim.
Okay, so it must be set real low. Okay. And there it is installed. There's what it looks like. And we will worry about calibrating it later.